Hello, welcome to Hano Roam. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how you can animate your own titles and text in Premiere Pro. Without further ado, let's get started. So in my timeline I've got two sample videos and two sample titles. So this will be the titles that I'm going to animate. So first select the first title or the title that you want to animate. Now go to the effect control, make sure the slider is in the first frame, and now under the opacity click on the pen tool, draw a random mask around our text. Now click on the toggle animation on mask path as well as mask expansion. Now under the mask expansion put the value of -90 so that the whole text will disappear from the frame. Okay. Now just move the slider to around 1 to 2 seconds after the first keyframe. Now put the value of mask expansion to 0, and also just bring back all our text. So for that click on this mask and you can see all those dots that we created. Now just zoom in and bring all those back. Okay, now let's see how our animation looks. Okay, so I added a cross dissolve at the end of the title clip to make it a smooth transition towards the next clip or the next video or whatever that you're making. Now let's animate our second clip. So this is the second clip. Select the title and now go to the effect control, select the title. Now on the effect bar search for transform. It will be under video effect. Just drag and drop it on our title. Now go to the effect controls and find the transform effects. Now uncheck the uniform scale. Make sure the slider is in the first frame. Toggle the scale width and click on toggle animation. Now put the value to 0. Move around 1 second or 2 seconds forward. Now put the scale width back to 100. Let's see what our animation look. Okay, it's smooth. Now to make it disappear, just come back to the timeline and click on Ctrl D. Delete the beginning. Okay. Now let's see how our animation look. Okay, it's pretty smooth. So this is how you can create your own animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. You can be creative with it. There are a lot of other key features in it. If you like this video, drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.